morning, my people. How you been? Man, oh man. All right, guys. Before I start anything, you know what I'm gonna say. Subscribe, hit like, and share this video. Thank you for all my 64 new subscribers. I really appreciate that. And before we talk about cars today, I got 2 more days left to go on vacation to PR, Santo Domingo, Virgin Islands, and everything else. With that said, what I'm doing today, okay. How you can see, my shop still a mess. So for me to clean my shop, I gotta go back there and get that 4-door body. I gotta get 4 more things out of it. That's gonna be 3-door handle, the lining, and the 2 things in there. And you know, I live in Southwest Florida. Rainy season here is another joke. When it pours, it pours. So I have to do everything before the rain season comes in. Then before it starts raining. Then after I get everything out, at least get everything out of the car, so I can start moving all the garbage in the car, and then I can be ready for whatever else I can do today.